How to add music to Instagram notes. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can add music to Instagram notes. In order to add music to Instagram notes, first of all, make sure that you have the note feature on your Instagram account. So before we get started with update your application, for that go to your Play Store and then type in Instagram. After that, if you see update, tap on the update button. If you see open, then click on the open button, and after that log in into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your Snapchat account, go to your DMs icon from the top right hand side corner. As you can see, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now right on top you have this note feature, so click on note. After that, you can see underneath there's a music icon. Now select the particular music that you want to actually add it to your Instagram note. After that, select the part that you actually want to add it, click on the tick button, click on share. If you also want to add note, you can do that as well. So this is basically how you can add music to your Instagram notes. That is all for this video. And similarly, if you want to delete it, tap on a note, click on delete note. In this way you can delete or add music to Instagram notes. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.